Today on Sansad TV
भट्टाचार्य
on the birth
को जो हमारे
anniversary of
बीच
Atal
मौजूद
Bihari
हैं,
Vajpayee,
त्रिपुरा
a
से
youth
आए
from
हैं
Tripura,
और श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी पर अंग्रेजी में अपना वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करेंगे। जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए।
Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, and all the beloved citizens of this great nation. Today we gather not merely to remember a man, but to celebrate a legend. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a name that echoes through the corridors of time, through the resonance of wisdom, courage, and humanity. His life was not just a journey through his politics. It was a saga of conviction, poetry, and the indomitable spirit of India itself. Atalji was not the leader who followed the winds of convenience. He was the wind that changed the direction of history. When others saw obstacles, he saw opportunities. When others faltered in hesitation, he rose with eloquence and strength born in deep-rooted conviction. He proved that power does not need to roar. It can whisper and still move mountains. What made Atal Bihari Vajpayee exceptional was not just his political brilliance. It was his rare synthesis of intellect and empathy, vision and virtue. As a Prime Minister, he dreamed of an India strong yet compassionate, modern yet deeply rooted to its culture. Under his leadership, India stood tall, asserting its place on the world stage, not through aggression, but through wisdom and restraint. He envisioned highways that connected cities and hearts, nuclear strength that empowered our sovereignty and our diplomacy, with the balancing of peace and pride. His words, measured and majestic, could disarm opponents and inspire millions. A very few leaders could wield silence as powerfully as he did. Atalji's poetry was not confined to paper. It breathed through his governance, his diplomacy, and his humanity. He proved that politics was not the art of division, but the endeavor of uniting differences through dialogue and respect. Atalji, his legacy was a moral compass, reminding us that leadership is not about command, but about compassion, not about dominion, but about duty.